In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gemini AI prompts for trending pictures. Let's dive right in and guide you through creating fabulous AI-generated images using Google Gemini. First things first, we need to get to the starting point. Open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. This will be our gateway to accessing the tools we need. Once you're on Google's homepage, direct your attention to the search bar. Type in Google Gemini. This search query will help you find the specific platform we're going to use for creating those gorgeous AI prompts. As you press enter, you'll see a list of search results populate your screen. In these results, keep an eye out for the official Google Gemini website link. Click on it and let it take you to the magic land of Gemini AI. Now that you've arrived on the Google Gemini page, it's time to get creative. Look for a plus sign button. It might be on the upper section or neatly tucked in a corner. This button is your friend because it allows you to upload a photo. Choose an image from your collection that you wish to enhance or transform. Go ahead and click that plus sign and select your desired photo from the dialog box that appears. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to breathe life into it with a prompt. This is where you input the magic words or phrases that will guide the AI in creating your desired transformation. Think about the effect you want. Is it ethereal, trendy, or maybe a bit futuristic? Type your prompt in the provided space. Make sure it's clear and concise, almost as if you're chatting with the AI, guiding it to bring your vision to life. Next, we proceed to enhance our creative arsenal by clicking on Tools. This section offers various options to refine and customize your AI creation. After exploring the tools and selecting your preferred settings, look for the Create Images button. Clicking on this will cue the AI to work its magic, crafting a stunning image based on your prompt and photo. With everything set, we're now at the final stage. To see the wonderful transformation the AI has in store, click on the Submit button. This action will finalize your creation process. As you wait for the image to generate, prepare to be impressed. Once the processing is complete, behold your newly enhanced image. Thanks to the power of AI, your picture now looks simply beautiful, capturing the essence of what you envisioned. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of making a Gemini AI prompt for trending pictures. Enjoy exploring more creative possibilities with the tools and features at your disposal. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have fun experimenting with Google Gemini AI. Happy creating!